97% people do not even attempt to succeed and choose to stay mediocre because they feel fearful. It's not that those 3% people do not feel fearful. Absolutely they do. But they choose to go beyond their fears. In this video, let's learn how to break through your fears. Fear is human brain's oldest emotion. And our brain is designed to rationalize fear and create responses to move forward. We become what we choose. When we break through those responses, we go beyond our fears. A very powerful story and a process to break through your fears today. Buddha had a disciple who was very fearful of battles and battlefield. One beautiful morning, Buddha asked him to go for the next battle. His body bent cold and he was shivering. He thought, Gurudev knows that I'm so fearful of the battle. Why is he sending me there? But he silently followed his master's instructions. He prepped himself up and he sought his Gurudev's blessing and went towards the battlefield. When he reached the battlefield, he saw a black, huge monster appeared in front of him. He felt so fearful, he was shaking, he couldn't do anything. He gathered all his courage from all the nooks and corners of his body. And with a lot of shaky voice, he asked, "Who are you?" And the big monstrous voice replied, "I am your fear." He was shocked to know that his fear is so huge. And he asked again, "Why are you here?" The monster replied, "To scare you." He couldn't believe what is happening with him. He asked again, "What do I do to get you out of here?" The monster replied, "Stop giving me energy." He fumbled and he asked, "How?" The monster then explained, "When you think of me, I grow and I scare you." The disciple understood the entire smart move and plan of his Gurudev. There and then, the disciple surrendered all his fear under his Guru's feet with lots of love, faith and surrender. And with lots of belief and conviction in his heart, he moved towards the battlefield. He returned victorious. He went towards his Gurudev, sought his blessings and told him, "Thank you for emerging this courageous version of me." This is not just a story. This story transformed me and so many others. Today it's your chance to transform.